welcome back to another episode of IAmTeeJaay Home Edition. Happy holidays, everyone. So I wanted to make a video on my holiday kind of decor for my Christmas tree. Now if you're anything like me and my family, we're on a absolute budget, so I decided to take a trip to my local Dollar Tree and see what they had to make my tree amazingly beautiful for the holidays. So I like to have my Christmas tree up for Thanksgiving dinner. I have not been able to do that for the last maybe 2 years. So this year I made it a priority to make sure that my tree was up for Thanksgiving. And I wanted to share with you guys some things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. This Dollar Tree haul, I found some really amazing things, and I want to show you guys how I put my tree together using all items from the Dollar Tree. Now, in the process of decorating my Christmas tree, I did start at Big Lots, so I will show you guys all the items that I got from Big Lots, but I'm also going to show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. But this particular video right here is my Dollar Tree haul for decorating my Christmas tree. So if you are interested in seeing what I picked up from my local Dollar Tree to decorate my Christmas tree, then please do stay tuned. So browsing my local Dollar Tree, you guys are going to be really surprised at some of the things that I found. I was really surprised at some of the things I found. They had some gorgeous pieces. You just had to like pick through everything and have your own vision and know exactly what you're looking for. The Dollar Tree has things that you can use, but you kind of have to be careful with what you get so that you can have it to kind of reuse for another year, because the Dollar Tree has good things, but they're not they're not expensive, of course, because it's the Dollar Tree. So that means that you may not be able to use them again. So you have to be careful what you pick up from the Dollar Tree. So anyway, just let me share with you guys what I found, some good things. And I'm hoping, I have somewhat of a vision, so I'm hoping that it turns out nice. I'm confident that it will, but so let's just get started. So I picked up some ornaments. This gorgeous Christmas tree ornament here is sparkly. It has these mirrored looking pieces on it. You can see how it kind of glitters when it spins. So I picked up these in each shape. They had this diamond type shape, they had the round ball, and then they have this egg shaped. So I did get all three of these, the three different shapes. They have a goldish, creamish, silverish, blingish kind of tint to them. They are very blingy for your Christmas tree if you're into bling. Also, for Christmas ornaments, they had these really pretty white ornaments for the tree, and they have these pearl ball looking things on them, these little pearl ballies, and it's white, kind of creamish glitter also. Not sure if you can see that, but they had that as well. So this is in the shape of a round Christmas tree ornament. Then they had this ornament. It's kind of like a snowflake. It's white. It has some glitter on it as well, and then it has this rhinestone center to it. So I picked up a bunch of these, and of course I picked up a bunch of these in all the three different shapes that they had. I may have just, now, for floral pieces, I picked up a couple of flowers. So I found these rose gold poinsettias. They didn't have that many. I'm going to try and go to a different Dollar Tree to see if I can get some more. I picked up a few of these, what they had. Then I picked up this cattail is what it's called. It has these white little fuzzy balls at the top and some greenery. So I picked these up for the tree. And then lastly, they had these white berry stems. It's like these little foam white balls. They're very easy to fall off, so be careful when you're handling them so that they don't fall completely apart. So these are some of the things that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. I did go to 2 different ones to try to get as much as I could. I'm going to try to go to one more to see if I can find some more of these rose gold poinsettias, because they're really pretty, really cute, and they have some glitter stems here in the middle. So I'm excited about the things that I found. You have to really be creative when you're shopping at the Dollar Tree. Of course, you got to be creative, you got to be careful, you got to be mindful that it is a Dollar Tree, and some of the things may look cute, or they might look good, but they may not last you long. So if you're okay with buying something for now, maybe changing out the next year, and you're not looking for something that you can reuse every year, then the Dollar Tree is definitely some place to shop. So that was a really quick haul from my local Dollar Tree with my items that I plan to put on my Christmas tree this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this really short Dollar Tree haul. Get to your Dollar Tree now if you guys want to stock up on any of these things. Also, remember, always try DollarTree.com. You can buy things from DollarTree.com in bulk. So an example, you can buy a box of these. I think each box, something that you order from the Dollar Tree comes in a box of 12. So that's always an option, to go on DollarTree.com and find what they have, because going around, different Dollar Trees carry different items. So when I'm showing you something in this video, or you're watching another Dollar Tree haul, you may or may not look up on what we're showing you. So I hope you guys are starting off your season with family, love, and friends. Have a festive Thanksgiving and Christmas. And make sure you guys look out for my Christmas tree video to see how I use all these items, how I actually put them together. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now if you are not a part of the IAmTeeJaay family. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for sticking in there with me. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, share it, comment down below. I love you guys very much for sticking in there with me, and I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Bye!